No matter your background, there's a way for you. Hey there! Ever caught yourself daydreaming about designing something so cool? It changes how people interact with the world? Or maybe you've been doodling app ideas on the corner of your napkin thinking, heck, I could totally make this better. Well, you are not alone. And guess what? There's a place for your big ideas in the world of UX design. If you're sitting there nodding along with the spark in your eyes and wondering, can I really jump into something totally new? I am here to nudge you gently and say, yes, you absolutely can. Because UX design isn't just for the tech wizard or art school grads. It's for anyone with a passion for solving puzzles and a knack of making things better, and yep, even for those who think that they're starting from scratch. I am proof here, along with most of my colleagues, went through the same path. In my team, everyone comes from very diverse background, yet they are all excellent UX designers. Now, let's explore how to embark on this journey in 2024, tailored to your unique background and aspirations. Whether you are a recent graduate, a professional seeking for a career pivot, or someone curious about the tech, there are paths for you. I will explain each option and who will be the best to take. The formal education is best for young individuals or career changes without a UX background who are looking for a structured and comprehensive introduction to UX design. This path is ideal if you are value recognized qualification and have a time and resource to invest in a degree. Formal education provides a broad understanding of UX principles, methodology, and tools, alongside opportunities to network with peers and professionals. Courses often cover a wide range of topics, from basic design principles to advanced user research techniques. Bootcamps and workshops are designed to scale you up quickly, offering a deep dive into UX design's most important aspects. They are great for building a portfolio, networking, and transitioning into a UX career within a relatively small time frame. Online courses and self-study. It's best for individuals of all ages who are balancing other life commitments but are motivated to learn UX design. This flexible option is suitable if you are prefer learning at your own pace and are disciplined enough to manage your study schedule. Online courses allow you to explore specific area of design or gain a broad overview depending on your interests and goals. The key to success in self-study is maintaining motivation and applying what you learn through personal or community projects. Apprenticeship and internships are great for young individuals, students, and career changers eager for hands-on experience. This path suits those looking to understand the day-to-day work of a UX designer by working on real projects under the guidance of experienced professionals. Apprenticeships and internships provide a practical experience, helping you to build your portfolio and make industry connections. These positions can be competitive and sometimes low paid. They offer invaluable insight into the UX profession. Whether you are fresh out of school looking to pivot in your career or somewhere in between, there's a path for you. The key is to start where you are. use what you have and do what you can. Jumping into UX design this year? No matter your background, there's a way for you. Start simple. Use what you have. Do what you can. UX design is your personal journey. It's about picking a path that matches your life and goals. Take a small step today. The best world of UX awaits. The road through UX is filled with challenges, but also reward. With determination and a zest for learning, you will overcome obstacles and turn your dream into reality. What's your next step? Maybe it's exploring online courses or connecting with the folks at UX meetups. Choose a path that clicks with you, fits your life, and get you closer to your career dream. Imagine having a mentor to guide you, plus the support of the UX community. That's what I am here for. Hit subscribe, like this video if you are ready to dive in, and share any question or thoughts about joining the UX world. Let's chase UX dreams together. Thanks for watching.